Hey Chichis, it's Chellina Achol, the Sudani mommy. Ay-yay. Also better known as the DIY Diva. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be like my bedroom refresh video. We're going to be mounting my TV, upcycling some furniture, organizing my dresser, organizing my closet. I'll show you guys how I organize everything in my room. I'm so late, I didn't know that people could use foam board dividers to separate their dressers. I also got some drawer organizers from Walmart. I'll have those linked down below if anyone's interested. Let's get on to this video and I'll show you guys how I organize. Very satisfying organization video. Color coordinate, everything folded beautifully. The Mornami, I don't know how you pronounce it. I'll show you guys that method of folding. It's really helpful. Takes a while for my laundry, but it's definitely worth it. Also, please subscribe to my channel. If you're seeing this video, you're seeing my face, subscribe. Let me know if you see the new YouTube's feature where the subscribe button starts to highlight or starts to like sparkle. Join the fam. We're a growing channel. Also, let me know what else you want to see on my channel. I make hair videos, makeup videos, lifestyle, like DIY. Roll the clip.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on nuts. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jocking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and drunk and when I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back. And man, I think that we hit it on something proper like the bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bar with her. Okay, like the bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bar with her. Okay, got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new vibe. Give a shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Baby still working at the club, so I'm getting in free. Wednesday night I'm on the list, T-Pain plus 3. Every time I hit the spot, baby girl taking care of me. How do you think I feel? Ooh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and drunk and now I know she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back. And man, I think that we gon' have fun at my spot tonight. I like the bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bar with her. Okay, like the bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bar with her. Okay, bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bar with her. Okay, like the bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bar with her. Okay.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, baby, later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, phony kisses, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chubby, look around. Find one that seems my type. Damn, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Got a real credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Beauty city, phone me kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on Jake for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think it was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Beauty city, phone me kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
This is dresses. This is just my dirty hamper. I like this. I got it at Target. It just color coordinates of like whites, colors, and dark. That's a bin of shoes. I'm gonna get a shoe rack or something to organize those soon. I have to finish my room this week. That's like my deadline. So I was like, I've moved here. I've been here a month, so let's get to it. So yeah, shoes. This is like winter stuff. I don't know where I'm gonna put that yet. And this, okay, these are like swimsuit cover-up things. These were jumpsuits and then rompers. And these are just gonna be shorts. These are gonna be my tank tops. I mean, it's like a tank top. If anybody knows that reference from YouTube way back in the day, I'll cash app you 30 bucks. It's just color coordinated tank tops. I used to have my closet organized by just all color. This was years ago. And then I decided like I organized them by item and then the color within that item. So these are all like tank tops. So they're color coordinated. And then there comes like kind of like cover ups or like shirts because they're like cardigans and like button up shirts, sweaters and things like that. These are color coordinated into themselves in their own little section. And t-shirts, I think they're all tops, any like regular tops. And then I come in the middle and then they're jackets. So it's gonna be just a couple. I think there's like 2 jackets. And then I also have blazers in their own section. I need to like get rid of my blazers because I don't even wear those. These are like fitted ones, and you know, like the ones in style now are the oversized blazers, and I don't have any of those. And then there's just other jackets, a leather jacket. So you guys are gonna watch me put up the rest of my clothes that I have. Those are fashion sweaters. So there's like workout sweaters that go inside the dresser, and then there's fashion sweaters that you skirts, and then more like strappy top. These are like cover-ups, jumpsuits, rompers, shorts, skirts, and then pants. So each category is like color organized. I put a little separation between them. I separated them a little bit to be able to show you guys the differences, the different sections, but it's not usually this spaced out. This was kind of complicated to kind of set up because I want them to be categorized by item. And sometimes I don't know if it's a jacket or a t-shirt or a blouse or whatever, but we keep moving. So I kind of put the jackets and the sweaters together in cardigans. So there's like bomber jacket, this is a light peacoat spring jacket, sweater, another jacket, sweater, but I still put like the blazers together, which kind of flowed nicely, but I guess from like the red, and then like a leather jacket, and then it went into sweaters, color coordinated those, And then here it starts the just the blouses and tops. So these are color coordinated. It's like purple-ish kind of. Well, kind of goes from like brown, white, then purple, blue, yellow, orange, green, red, orange, red. Yeah. Sorry, I don't know my colors. And then the black tops. But then that black transitions into like the tank tops, you know, just the light string tops. But that's all of it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this and it was inspiring and you enjoyed it.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I try to keep from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go, wait, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, I'm feeling a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Help me on my fears, my level. Since I disappeared, if you left me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, can't do it, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can't keep from losing the best of me. Still worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go, wait, think he was holding me. To the right, but it will pick up in front of me.
But I hope you found that video helpful. Again, do not forget to subscribe, join the fam, become a Chichi. I'll see you guys in the next one. And also check out my other DIY videos. This is a great way to empower other women. Ain't nothing special about me. If I can do this, definitely anybody can do this. Love you guys.